Dear Sam, this is the waited moment.
Yes.
You here at Dinu and Associates Implant Academy having
Yes.
this long-awaited course about digital implantology.
Correct.
It was a great honor for us, and it was a
Thank you.
great joy because all of us have a lot of things to learn from your team.
Thank you so much.
Especially you are. I notice you are changing very quick the protocols. You are going fast forward,
That's
especially in the full arch therapy, which
that's
is the
true.
most important and the most challenging
Very
part of the
very
of
true.
the guided implantology. So
That's
it was amazing. And what I have noticed is that you shared a huge amount of information, but in a very easy to digest manner, very mathematical, very organized. So it was a lesson for us. How was your experience? So how you find the group? How was your interaction with the people from the course?
I really loved it. The one thing that is very special about this course, I also want to thank you because Christian, you asked me this time to do something that we don't usually do. I mean, normally we do only 2 days. This time we did 3 days, but you made me realize that this is really the most complete way to show this course. Because before we used to do, we used to teach people planning. We used to have them do their own planning. They do the surgery on the models. But also, I think seeing this done live clinically really changes a lot of things and it shows people the complete picture and how this is actually possible. So I really wanted to thank you for this. For me, the way I saw this course, I'm very comfortable giving the course. So right now we finished our second day. Things went super smooth. I'm very happy with this. We have a very high level of participants and the hands-on part went really smooth. The structure that I wanted to do at the beginning is I wanted to make sure that we cover the planning part first. Some people say that if we talk about planning, this is basic, but I don't really like the word basic. I like to say these are fundamentals. And we covered all the fundamentals yesterday. We spoke about, a lot of people have some issues with guided surgery. It's very important for us to understand that every case with guided surgery is different. We need to understand how to scan the patient. We need to look at the patient before we scan them to choose the right scanning protocol. We covered all of this yesterday. We talked about the different planning protocols for full arch cases. Today was the full arch day, the stackable day.
It was amazing. Yeah,
Yeah, well,
really.
we
Yeah. So
covered
I would redo the day
we
again and
covered
again.
we covered lots of things, and as you said, I mean, things are always improving. I think in the past 4 years, 3, 4 years, I've drastically changed the way I'm doing the full arch cases. I mean, back in the day, we used to position the full arch prosthesis by hand, and then we started to use different tools, and now we're stackable. I think right now this is basically the most advanced and most comfortable way for me to do full arch cases, and I think all the participants agree. And the good thing is today we'll make sure that everybody does this themselves so they'll get a feel of how easy it is for you to do a full arch case if you do the planning properly.
Great. Yes. And what it was amazing. It how I saw your cases. I compared with my full arch cases, and now we changed the protocols in improving. And we all know your contribution worldwide in the development of these stackable guides. And I think we are still developing and being together with your experience as an educator, with our experience educators, we have the opportunity to adjust and to improve our way of sharing information. For example, the live in our program, the live surgeries are a very important part. So
Absolutely.
we do in a course 5, 6 live surgeries because people see and they realize the theoretical part, they include the theoretical part, the hands-on, and then they see every move, everything that is happening in the surgery.
Absolutely.
So
It is very important to see every aspect. Not only, you learn how to plan, but also you see this what you planned being executed.
exactly.
And also one of the key points is working with a team. Right now we are a team and we're doing this course together. And what I wanted to say is me as a clinician and you as a very good clinician and a great educator, and also we have Christian with us in the team.
Yes, a
Christian
very
Butnărașu is
important part. Yes.
a very good dental technician, and together we improve the protocol. And the reason why it's constantly changing, well, let's not say changing, it's constantly improving.
Exactly.
It's because of the feedback that I give to Cristian and the same feedback that you give, and we're always trying to find the best solution for our patients. And I think this is what we're able to achieve.
Yes, it's great. And how was your social and I don't know, cultural experience included? You are already for, I don't know, 2-3 days here.
Yes, no, I love it. I mean, every time we finish the course, we have a good time, we go out. Yeah. The food is incredible, let me say that honestly. And I think you know, the ice cream is amazing, the food is amazing. And it's a very cool city, by the way, and the vibe is really cool. And I really, really, really love the fact that in Cluj, people are very relaxed. This is amazing. And that's, I think, a major contribution. I think for us to have a successful course, the staff needs to be good, the content needs to be good, but after the course, we need to have a good time. And this is something that we've done. And Cluj is a perfect location to do that.
Thank you. I'm sure we will continue to have this friendship and professional connection.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Cristian. Thank you so much.